আসসালামু আলাইকুম, সজীব বিসিএস প্রিপারেশনে স্বাগতম। আজকে আলোচনা করব ইংলিশ লিটারেচারের মডার্ন এবং পোস্ট মডার্ন পিরিয়ডের প্রিভিয়াস কোশ্চেন সমূহ। পোস্ট মডার্ন: এ ক্লোজিং স্পিচ ইন এ প্লে often delivered after the completion of the main action is called an epilogue. Then a long speech by one actor in a play or movie is called monologue. Monologue হচ্ছে long speech by one actor in a play or movie which one does not related to literature, কোনটি লিটারেচারের সাথে সংযুক্ত নয়, ডেমোলগ। which composition emphasizes on author's witness and rather than his or her own personality or life, memoir. What is trimeter? Trimeter হচ্ছে a line of poem consisting 3 feats. Number 6, lines of a song or a poem repeated at the end of each verses is called a refrain. Number 7, a dirge is a song to be sung at funerals. A dirge is a song to be sung at funerals. Number 8, a funny imitation of a poem is called parody. A funny imitation of a poem called parody. Number 9, a story with animals as the main characters and a moral is called a fable. A story with animals as the main characters and a moral is called fable. Myth means the story of the ancient history. Mythology is the study of various beliefs about gods and goddesses. Poetic license means freedom to change the normal rules of language in a special piece of writing. Guy de Maupassant is a famous French story writer. Then Ernest Hemingway is a famous American novelist. Ernest Hemingway হলো আমেরিকার বিখ্যাত একজন উপন্যাসিক। Then Langston Hughes is American poet. Of the following authors, one is American. Who is he? উইলিয়াম ফকনার, অর্থাৎ উইলিয়াম ফকনার হচ্ছেন একজন আমেরিকান পোয়েট, লেখক। অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং হুইজ নট এ পোয়েট, কে কবি নয়? ডরিস লেসিং, অর্থাৎ ডরিস লেসিং কবি নন, পোয়েট নন। অ্যামং দ্য ফলোয়িং হুইজ নট নোবেলিস্ট, কে নোবেলিস্ট নন? উইলিয়াম ব্লেক নোবেলিস্ট নন। The only medium of literature is who is the father of the science fiction? সায়েন্স ফিকশনের জনককে? জুলিস ভার্ন। The only medium of literature is language. What is the salient feature of all literature? Eristic. Which of the Bronte sisters wrote Jane Eyre? Charlotte. Virginia Woolf was a contemporary of Joyce, who is known as an icon of peace and reconciliation. Nelson Mandela, who is known as an icon of peace and reconciliation. Nelson Mandela, who was not awarded the Nobel Prize. Elizabeth Barrett Nobel পুরস্কার পাননি। A senator and a poet who won the Nobel Prize for Literature. W.B. Yeats. Alice in Wonderland is written by Lewis Carroll. Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland is written by Lewis Carroll. Alice in Wonderland belongs to juvenile literature. Juvenile literature সাথে সম্পর্কযুক্ত. The book Glimpse of World History was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. The book Glimpse of World History was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the author of Les Miserables? Miserables এর লেখককে ভিক্টর হিউগো. The epic Odyssey was written by Homer. ওডিসি মহাকাব্যের লেখককে হোমার. The novel Roots was written by উপন্যাসটি কে লেখেন? অ্যালেক্স হেলি. The Diary of Young Girl is written by Anne Frank. Who is the author of the novel The Trial? উপন্যাসটির লেখককে ফ্রান্স কাফকা. A Thousand Splendid Suns is a novel written by Khaled Hosseini. Adela is a character in a novel written by E.M. Forster. Be your ever so high. The law is above you. এই উক্তিটি কার? লর্ড ডেনিংয়ের. Who authored the statement the government is the best which governs least? Henry David Thoreau. In the sentence death loss his icy hands or on kings. Death is an example of personification. The techniques of treating non-living things is a human is called personification. The technique of treating non-living things as human is called personification. A paradox is a statement which is apparently self-contradictory. The man is a mad dog. Mad dog is an example of metaphor. Assonance refers to repetition of similar vowel sounds.